Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we had fun baking sugar cookies with the kids. The consistency of the cookie dough should be similar to that of Play-Doh. You don't have to chill the cookie dough. The cookies turn out perfect even when you roll out the dough straight away. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, or until the underside of the cookie turns golden brown. We baked one batch of cookies without the sugar coating, as we will be glazing them with the icing instead. Add about 2 drops of vanilla. Once the cookies have cooled, spread a layer of frosting over them. Decorate with sprinkles or colored sugar. Once decorated, let the icing dry for at least 15 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.